Chapter 9 Indian Currency. Hello kids, welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll learn about Indian currency. So we have different kind of notes and coins also. So the Indian currency is called the Indian rupee. It is used for buying goods and services in India. So kids, what is currency? Something which we use to buy something, right? We can buy goods, services and things, right? So let's do this small exercise. Tick the correct option. Which coin is the highest in value among the following? So here kids, there are three different kinds of coin and over them the number is written representing the amount, the value they have. Alright, so for example 2, 5 and 10, right? So the highest value is of 10 rupee coin. Second, which is the smallest denomination of the Indian currency note? So here there are three notes of 1, 20 and 50 rupees. Alright, so they are asking for smallest denomination, right? So it's 1 rupee note. Alright, now third question is what is the symbol for the Indian rupee? Yes. Fourth question is which of the following is a bank note denomination? 7 rupees, 100 rupees or 30 rupees? It is 100 rupees, right? Because we don't get 7 rupees note or 30 rupees note. Alright. Now fifth question is when did we get the symbol for the Indian rupee? So yes. Second, sixth question is which animal can you see on the 10 rupee note? Rhinoceros, monkey or peacock? So it is the peacock, right? Did you know kids, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is responsible for issuing the Indian currency that we use is basically issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Alright kids, so I hope this was fun learning about our Indian currency. So even keep exploring different currency, right? The currency of different countries, and I'll see you in the next lesson.